in the heart of India's agricultural heritage, where fields stretch endlessly under the golden sun, lies AV Overseas.
AV Overseas was born out of my long-term vision. In 1997, I started in the rice industry with a small paddy milling unit in Moga, Punjab. Being MTech in mechanical engineering through hard work and strategic decision, I established a strong foothold in the local market.
Our journey begins with the fertile soil nurtured by nature and tended with care by dedicated farmers.
Our journey began with a vision to bring the finest Indian basmati rice to the world. From the very start, we focused on quality and innovation.
From the fields to our advanced processing facilities, we blend tradition with innovation to deliver superior quality. At AV Overseas, we honor the old age tradition of rice farming, ensuring that every grain is harvested with the utmost care. Our state-of-the-art rice processing facility spans 13 acres.
We aim to continue expanding our global presence while maintaining our commitment to quality and sustainability.
Our state-of-the-art processing plant is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring that each grain is meticulously processed, and boasts a production capacity of 22 metric tons per hour. Our mining process involves multiple stages of gentle polishing, which enhances the texture and shine of the grains while maintaining their nutritional value. Precision mining retains the natural aroma and flavor, ensuring that each grain of rice meets our high standard of quality. Our plant is certified with GMP, HACCP, FSSAI and ISO 22218 standards, ensuring the highest level of quality and safety. We proudly export premium quality rice to Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia and other Gulf countries. Rigorous quality checks at every stage guarantee that only the finest rice reaches your table. Our cutting-edge packaging processes preserve the freshness and nutritional value of each grain, ensuring that AV Overseas delivers excellence in every bag. From our advanced facility, AV Overseas Rice travels across the world, bringing the taste of excellence to diverse kitchens.
Today, we combine modern infrastructure, technology innovation, and commitment to give the best quality to our customers. We have future plans for our continuous global expansion and market leadership.
Our focus will be mainly on exploring new markets, investing in research and development, and enhancing our product offering.
Our commitment to these values has helped us to build the strong relationship with the farmers, buyers, and customers.
At AV Overseas, we are a family dedicated to bringing you the finest rice, crafted with passion and precision. AV Overseas. Excellence in every grain.